Hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik. So today I will share my experience of how I cleared my AWS Cloud Practitioner certification exam. So maybe it will be helpful for you guys if you are preparing for any cloud certification things. So first things what I have done, I enrolled any one course from the Udemy. You can enroll from any other platform like Coursera, Udemy, or any Cloud Guru, or different nowadays platforms are there. So just check all the topics majorly are available in the course and enroll that video course. Okay. So and the second thing, I enrolled one of a practice test course also, which contained the around 6 practice tests was there, even though I was not able to complete all, but I have enrolled that thing. So those two things I enrolled. And then how I prepared, like I started with the initially basic concept to the all the video things. Parallelly I enroll into the AWS free tier account. So that is a free tier account, so some basic features, all the things you can use, so you will get practical idea also. Otherwise there is no meaning to directly taking the dump and clearing the things, so you will not understand exactly concept how it is there. So yeah, so I was preparing one by one concept, and I was checking in the free tier also, so I get practical hands-on also little bit. Okay, so not in the detail, but basic level of practical knowledge I get. So I prepare from the video course, and parallelly whatever in the video course they were explaining, I was looking into the free tier account also. And let's say one topic S3 is there, then it is completed, then I was taking print screen or any notes in my OneNote. I was taking whatever I understood for that concept. So I was making notes and taking print screen or of the content of that things. So I have collected those things, and once my course completed, then I enrolled for the those practice tests. So but there was very less time was there, because what I have done, like if we plan something, like I will do the certification, but we never able to complete, or we say like I didn't get time. So what I have done, I define one date, like on this date I will be giving the exam, so I pre-book that things. So automatically virtual pressure was created, like on this date I have already booked. So then automatically I plan all the days time, how much time will be there, accordingly I plan. So I plan that thing, but very less time was remaining. So one of test I have given, then what I have done, other test I just randomly click anything, so at the end it will give the all the answers. Okay, so then I was reading those answers. So I was checking one by one all the answers which I feel I don't know this concept. Then I was reading answers of those question answers. So kind of that way I just revise all the concept or question answers in the practice test. Around 4 practice tests I have done, so at least I get idea like what type of question it will be there in the exam, and what in which concepts I'm not good, so I prepare that thing. Okay, so those things I have done. Now on the last day of exam, what I have done, on the last day of exam, I have quickly revised all the things which I have collected, all the points. So I have revised in the detail all the things, and after then, before 1 hour of exam, what I have done, whatever I have revised, for that only the headline short points. So those short points only I revise in the last 30, it around took me the 30 minutes. So 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So I revise those things quickly, like again after revision, very short revision I have done. So total around 5 things. Point number 1, I enroll any, you can enroll any video course. So I enroll from the Udemy, enroll video course. Point number 2, create your free tier AWS account, so you get practical hands-on also. Then point number 3, enroll any practice tests, so you get a better idea like which question answers or in which concept you are good and in which concept you are lacking, so you can prepare those things before the exam. Okay, 3 points, and last 4 point is a collect. During the learning you collect your all the points, so on the last day you can quickly revise your concept, and at the end, because memory is more important, so if you recall, then it will be easy, the things. So that was how I prepared. Okay, now during the exam, like initially, like first two questions, I didn't get like what will be answer, so I was very confused, like what to do and what not to do. So I just make as a, like I will complete those question later, so mark as a letter, I will do that thing, and I continue whatever I know. And after then slowly I get a confidence, and I was focusing one by one, and I was giving my answers, and which I feel like I'm not sure, then I mark at marking is as a, like I will refer it later. So what I know confidently I can quickly complete. Otherwise what happened, like if we don't know, still we are trying to figuring out, and we are wasting lot of time there. So just mark as a letter, so you will complete it later at the end. So kind of that way I have completed all my question answer, and at the end whatever like 5 to 10 questions I was not sure this answer, so then I get time, whatever time was remaining, in that I have changed my options, or accordingly my judgment I have given the answers. Again, one important point, many things will be there where you don't know exact answers. So what you have to do, you have to use elimination methods, like let's say A, B, C, D, 4 options are available, so you know like this options is not there, this is not there, and this might not be there, so then only one thing is remaining. So kind of that way you can use elimination method also, that will be very useful for you also. Okay, so yeah, that way I prepared my exams in the AWS cloud certifications practitioner. It was a beginner level of there. Passing score was around 700 was there, and I get 789 around I get. So finally I passed. So I prepare around within a 15 to 20 days I prepare for that things in that because I was aware few of concept of the cloud technology, so it was more easy for me, because in the GCP I have learned something concept, but yeah, in the AWS terminology I learn all these things, and yeah, then I have given the exam. And yeah, for according to me, practice tests are very very important. Please try to do the practice test at least 3 to 4 or at least 1 to, at least you will give any of one practice test, you will understand like how the exam will be there, where you are lacking. So I will suggest 2 to 3 or 4 give the practice test. And if you have not time to do all that things, just randomly click, and at the end you will get answer. So you read all the answer, which is correct, which is not correct, if not correct then why not correct, and all that things. So yeah, you will save some time, but if your time genuinely you give the practice test, so you will get a better confidence and the idea. So I hope this my experience will be helpful for you, and if you have any doubt, then please write in the comment, and if you are new, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you, see you in the next lecture.